20 out of the foot bones and ankle bones there. Okay, and then these were real tight, right? Okay, bend this here. We're going out like 5 of these. Same here, like 5 of these. Okay. All right, lay on your side, face this way. Like you're laying on the couch, and then I'll do the rest. Just like that. Let me see your arm. Let me see this leg. Let me see this here. We got a self popper here. Cracks her own back every single day. Oh, jeez.
Oh my god. My god.
Do the other one. Okay, I'll get this side here too. Go like this here.
You do a little bit better than I do.
Yeah, no kidding. I'd hope so.